Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the dark mode on YouTube. So this dark mode is basically a feature that changes the color scheme of an application and it's more comfortable to use at night. So let's begin. So the first thing we're gonna do, as you can see, I'm here in a YouTube video and I'm gonna show you two ways you can do this. So the first thing will be clicking right here at the top right corner, and then you will see this appearance that says device theme. So this basically means that YouTube will adapt the appearance of the website to your device theme. So for example, if I go and choose the dark mode right here, this will change for all the windows and apps. And if I go to YouTube and I reload the page, you can see it will set to dark theme. But if I want to have my Windows on light mode, but I still want YouTube to be on dark mode, you can just change it right here and set it on dark. And that's how it works. Now I'm gonna show you another way to do it. So if you are not logged into your YouTube account, you will see these three dots right here. So you just need to click, and here you will see the same option where you can set dark theme, or you can go back to the light theme. So that's basically it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.